Good morning children. Today we discuss about writing skills. Okay. Read the last part of the speech of Chief Seattle once again. Children, once again you read the Chief Seattle last part. Okay. Are all the sentences of the same length? You read after these all sentences are same length? Obviously not. No, all sentences are not equal length. The speech contains long sentences. The speech contains long sentences, but in your over the red man. Okay, na? Red man, over the red man, so long sentences. Some short sentences, short ones. What is that? Where is the ticket? This is the one of the example, short ones. Next, and even fragments. Fragments also is here. What are gone? Okay. Why do writers vary the length of the sentences? Why do writers vary the length of the sentences? Again, why do they use different types of structures? Here see the Chief Seattle's lesson. So different types of fragments they are using. Different types of structures. They are using. What is that structures? Some sentences, long sentences. Here long sentences and short ones. Where is the ticket? This is the one of example. And also fragments gone. Why do writers vary length of this? Why do worry about the length of sentences? Okay. What are that? Different types of structures they use. What are the structures? Sometimes statements, questions, and also exclamations, fragments, etc. These all are using into the lesson the Chief Seattle. Okay. Good writers vary their sentences to make them interesting. Okay na? Good writer worry. Why they worry their sentences to make them interesting? They make the sentences interesting. Okay. Sentence length can influence the mood of the piece. Okay na? Sentence length can influence. For example, the long question, okay na, the 8 marks question is answer is influence. You are worried about this is a very big question and answer. I don't read so much of time is taken. You worried. The short question 2 or 3 marks questions you read very fast because the sentence length is changing to our mood. Okay. If you are concerned that your writing is either too choppy or too flurry, review with an eye on the sentence length. Okay. Is it worried? Does fit the mood you are trying to convey? You are trying to convey the mood. Okay. Do you heavily favor short, simple sentences, or does the piece contain too many paragraph long sentences? Okay na, first you prefer the highly favor short simple sentences, or does the piece contains too many with a variety of structures? Variety of structures means exclamations and also question marks, fragments, and also statements. Some of structures you use. Here read the following text. Here some text is given. You read. Dogs are our great companions, or not they? This is the question mark. You observe. Dogs are our great companions, or not they? This is the question. Any idea which the friendship between man and dogs began? Once again, any idea when the friendship between the man and dogs began? This is also question mark. You observe here. Maybe thousands of years back. Who knows? Here also this is the exclamatory. Okay na? This is the exclamatory. What is important is that they are man's best friend for obviously reasons. Dogs as such need to be walked. Walks keep their owners healthy and the owners can talk to their dogs. They never tell secrets. Dogs do not care what their owners observe. While walking or what they watch on TV, as long as dogs are take care of, they are happy. Here some text is given. These are using here some question marks and also exclamatory questions and also long sentences. Okay, here and also some short ones also they are using in text. Okay, next we are going to what are the features of this write up. Okay, and already I said what are the features here, right? In this, the variety of sentences has been obtained in a number of ways. There are number of ways and also variety of sentences there are used. You also use and write using different sentences types, statements, questions, exclamations, etc. Using elements such as tags, connectives and as such and one and the next as such. Okay, now these are using. You take your workbook and write down these question and answers with the help of workbook. Once again you read this paragraph. Okay, na? So much of structures are here. You observe that and after you try to write these two questions. Okay, next we are going to next paragraph. Read the following write up. You write down these your CW. Okay children, this one also all are right. Okay, now writing skills you write down writing skills and next you continue this. Okay, you write these question answers. Next you come to read the following write up. Okay, you must have about the Hussain Sagar. You must have read about the Hussain Sagar Lake. It is in Hyderabad. It is one of the largest man-made lakes. This is one of the largest man-made. What is that? Hussain Sagar Lake. Hyderabad and the Secunderabad are the twin cities of the state. There are what are the Hyderabad and Secunderabad. There are the twin cities. Okay. The lake connects these cities. It was originally constructed to supply drinking water. What base the Hussain Sagar Lake built? Because they supply the drinking water. But now it is not used a drinking water source. But this Hussain Sagar is not used to drinking water supply source. People say, this is sad. There is plenty of water. Nobody can drink it. Hussain Sagar is plenty of water, but they cannot drink it. Why? The lake faces in a few threats. The main threat is encouragement by the both private and public agencies. The lake also faces the problem of pollution. One of the locals said, "Oh, sometimes it stinks horribly. This is due to the continuous discharges of domestic waste and industrial chemicals. Hence, it is our duty to save the Hussain Sagar Lake." Yes, our duty. What is our duty? To save the Hussain Sagar Lake. Okay children, these all are the one of the text. Okay, here given some sentences. You change and convert the sentences. I am explain this one. See carefully and also this one also write in your CW. Okay children, are you follow the CW writing notes? Okay, here see. The lake connects these cities. The lake connects these cities. Change into question. Okay, now this sentence change into question. How? Does the lake connect these cities? Here question mark and here helping verb. Does the lake connect these cities? Okay, now this is the answer. It is in Hyderabad. It is one of the largest man-made lakes. Once again, it is in Hyderabad. It is one of the largest man-made lakes. Combine the two sentences using and. Okay, now using and you combine these two sentences. Answer. It is in Hyderabad and. See, and one of the largest man-made lakes. Once again, it is in Hyderabad and one of the largest man-made lakes. Okay, children. Next, third one. Hyderabad and Secunderabad are twin cities of the state. The lake connects these cities. Begin the sentences with the lake and connect the two sentences. So here beginning you write down the lake and connects these two sentences. The answer is the lake connects Hyderabad and Secunderabad, which are twin cities of the state. Okay, children, the lake connects Hyderabad and Secunderabad, which are twin cities of the state. Okay, we are using sentence beginning the lake and both sentences are combined here. Okay, next one, fourth one. It was originally constructed to supply drinking water. Now it is not used as a drinking water source. Here connect using though. Okay, next, though it was originally constructed to supply drinking water, now it is not used as a drinking water source. Here though is using beginning. Okay, now though it was originally constructed to supply drinking water, now it is not used as a drinking water source. Okay, this is the answer. So next one, fifth one. This is sad. This is sad. Here question mark. Complete the sentence with question tag. Okay, now with question tag. This is sad. This is sad. Here is comes before. Is not. This is sad. You write down the question tag. Is not this? Question mark. Okay, next. How? Sometimes it sneaks horribly. Rewrite this sentence beginning with how. Okay, answer. How horribly it sneaks sometimes. Exclamatory question. Okay, how horribly it sneaks sometimes. Okay, children. After I am given these two pages screenshot. This one also you continue your CW. So today homework is, children, see, today homework here, Roman number 2. Prepare a speech that you would like make on the World Environment Day. The World Environment Day. You can make use of the following hints. Okay, now prepare a speech that you would like to make on the World Environment Day. You can make use one of the following hints. Here some hints are given. So you make this speech the World Environment Day. The threats are to animals and plants life, the pollution of air, water and earth and the consequence, the need to preserve our environment for ourselves and for the future generations. Okay na, the life of animals and plants, you write down what they need, how they live. Okay na, what is the use of animal and plant life for us. Okay, next the pollution, how to human being pollution the air, water and earth. We are using vehicles, refrigerators. All the beginning of the lesson I said, and also I'll give some pictures also. Once again you see that before class, first class, this unit first class. Okay na, after you write down. Next, the need to preserve our environment, how to ourselves, future generation, how to future gives to a good environment. So what are the decisions you take, how to green our environment, you take a decisions and write down. First of all you think about and write roughly, after you try to write down. Okay now, own sentences. Okay now, you use these 3 hints. The World Environment Day. Okay children, thank you children.